Hi guys, it's me again. And please don't forget to like and share. Today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to get at German market. It's a German Christmas market, so I'm gonna get two of this one, and this two. It's soft glazed gingerbread. It's really good for breakfast or for snacks, and of course these are the chocolates. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I got that. Also I got a Christmas drink, and these are tea. Actually I have a lot of these, so I don't need it, so I'm gonna put it back. And mustard, it's real delicious. I'm gonna get the extra hot mustard. And what else I'm going to get? Probably we'll see. Also they have a lot of milka, like I like milka. It's really delicious, and also they have a lot of flavors. And one of these, I guess, yes. And also this one, cookie selection. It looks yummy. And after that guys, I'm just gonna get one of this one. I think it looks delicious, sugar free. And what else? It's a lot of chocolates guys. It's really delicious. They even have Tim Tam. And what else? These are the Milkas flavors. They have alcohol, chocolate alcohol flavor. And of course they have spread. These are the bread spread. Actually I have a lot of bread spread at home, so I don't need it. And of course I'm gonna get some pickles, because why not? So that's my pickles. It's German pickles. So this is all I got and have to pay. And now I'm going home, and thank you so much for watching.